Korean.
한국은 지하철이 너무 깨끗해서 놀랐는데 또 편하고 빠르더라고요.
타고 친구들이랑 새해 해 뜨는 걸 보러 갔어요. 풍경이 정말 멋졌어요.
I know exactly what the topic is. I like to travel, so I've used this often with friends.
This is a hint.
Trains, right? When I first came to Korea, I got so confused between subway and train stations.
That is right. Yongsan Station, Seoul Station, Cheongnyangni stations are very big stations in Seoul.
Big stations that have subways, buses, and trains are really complicated.
I use phone apps to book train tickets in advance, just in case all the seats become sold out.
That is right. Let's now watch a drama clip with Korean trains as the background. Drama!
Come on!
소라 씨는 어디예요?
네, 저 지금 기차역에. 근데
출발하는구나. 조심히 내려와요.
뭐지? 지금 방국봉이 벌써 도착했다는데?
나 방국봉 아니야.
그럼 누군데?
11시 10분 사천행 로고가
이러다 기차 놓치겠다. 일단 타자.
어디가? 제대로 얘기해야지.
I also want to get on a train. Snacks on trains are really delicious. I want to eat them all.
Oh, eating boiled eggs and soda on trains is the best.
There used to be snack carts with various foods that would be pushed around in each compartment on trains, right?
Yeah, that's an old memory now. You can now buy snacks from vending machines between the compartments. It surely is convenient, but it's not like the old times. It was fun to buy banana milk in fat containers from snack carts.
That is right. Since we're being reminiscent, shall we receive questions from international friends? International friends?
Come on.
Don't be shy.
한국에서 기차 여행 가면 좋은 곳이 어딘지 궁금해요.
I want to see the wonderful seas of Korea. Please help me go on a train trip.
Which sea do you prefer, Seohae or Donghae?
Well, I want to see the sunrise.
Then I recommend Donghae, where the sun rises. There's a special train there where you can see Korea's beautiful Donghae. It's the sea train.
Shall we go see the beautiful Donghae now? Let's go!
All right, we talked about Korean trains today.
Oh, I think Donghae Sea Train is a very special train where you can see the beautiful sea.
Oh, so special. There's an endless view like the beach in Nice, France.
Oh, in addition, there are many types of trains in Korea, such as KTX, Mugungao, and SRT. Whatever you take, you'll be surprised by its comfort and cleanness.
I want to travel a lot in Korea and take a lot of trains. I also want to eat some boiled eggs on the trains.
You should do that, Found. Let's look forward to Korean train trips and to seeing each other again next time.
See you next time!
부산행이라는 한국 좀비 영화의 배경이 KTX였거든요. 기차를 타고 난 뒤에부터 오싹한 기분이 들기도 했어요.
기차를 타면 다양한 풍경 구경할 수 있어서 추억이 됐고요. 또 기차 여행 하고 싶어요.
K-Wave Korean.